Object-oriented programming (OOP) is a programming paradigm centered around the concept of objects, which encapsulate both data attributes and behavior methods into self-contained units. OOP promotes modularity, reusability, and a clear structure by organizing code into classes and objects, making it easier to build and maintain complex systems. Class: a blueprint for creating objects, an object, an instance of a class with actual data. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Here, we define a person's class as one that represents people. The ini method is the constructor of the class that is called automatically when a new object is created. We will take three parameters: self, reference an instance, name, and age. We store the name and age as the object's attributes, and we access the name attribute via self-name and age via self-age. Creating the instance calls two methods. Person is equal person in parentheses and adel in quotation marks, commas. 30, which refers to age. We move on to the display. Print p1 point name. And we return to the display line p1 point age. The result is adel 30. We will now display the class differently. We will call other methods. To keep things simple, we keep the same person class. With name and age. Now, we will define a simple method that displays a message with a person's name. My func self_stu point print hello, my name is self point name. There is an error self point name and not selfs. P1 is equal person in quotes adel in quotes 30. Return to line p1 point myphone. On execute hello, my name is adel. Now we are going to make a change. P1 point name is equal to cabbage. We execute the change that has been made.